Is Bitcoin still a good investment in 2025? What if I told you that the biggest financial decision of your life could be one you make today, with a few clicks and a bit of courage? Or worse, what if you miss it again? Bitcoin. You've heard the stories, people becoming millionaires, others losing it all. But in 2025, with headlines screaming about regulation, market volatility, and the rise of newer coins, one question still remains. Is Bitcoin still a smart investment, or is the golden era over? Stick around, because what you'll learn in the next 10 minutes might not just change how you see Bitcoin. It might shift your entire approach to building wealth. And if you're thinking, I don't have thousands to invest, trust me, this isn't just for tech bros with Lamborghinis. This is for you, the young professional, the side hustler, the dreamer who wants out of the paycheck-to-paycheck loop. Let's dive in. Point 1. The evolution of Bitcoin, from rebellion to regulation. In the beginning, Bitcoin was digital rebellion, a response to broken banks and economic injustice after the 2008 crash. It was the outsider's currency, anonymous, decentralized, unstoppable. But now, it's being held in billion-dollar portfolios, traded on Wall Street, and yes, even being regulated by governments. So what does that mean for you? It means Bitcoin isn't just a high-risk bet anymore. It's becoming a legitimate asset class. And institutions are treating it like digital gold. Still volatile, yes, but with more credibility and long-term potential than ever before. Funny thought. Imagine telling your grandparents in 2011 that fake internet money would be in Fidelity portfolios by 2025. Back in my day, we used coins made of metal. The transformation of Bitcoin isn't just fascinating, it's foundational, and it sets the stage for what comes next. Point 2. Bitcoin versus inflation, a new kind of safety. Net. Let's talk about something less fun than crypto memes, but way more important, inflation. Since 2020, prices have climbed. Your rent, groceries, and even your Chipotle order, it all costs more. But while the dollar's value shrinks, guess what hasn't? Bitcoin. It's programmed to be scarce. Only 21 million will ever exist. That's it. No central bank can print more. That makes it deflationary by design, potentially a powerful hedge against inflation for our generation. This is why more people are waking up to the urgency of finding smarter places to park their money. But just when you think Bitcoin might be the hero, enter the plot twist. Point 3. The risks you can't ignore. Volatility, regulation, and FOMO. Bitcoin isn't a fairy tale. It's not all Lambos and laser eyes. Prices swing violently. Governments love to change the rules mid-game. And the fear of missing out? That's probably lost more money than bad trades ever did. You ever buy at the top because some guy on TikTok told you it was going to the moon? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the truth. Smart investors don't avoid risk. They manage it. If you're serious about wealth, you can't afford to ignore what Bitcoin represents. But you also can't jump in blindly. Understanding the risks is just as important as chasing the rewards. And here's the real kicker. You're not just investing in an asset. You're investing in a movement, a shift in how the world sees money. Still with me? Good, because now it gets interesting. Point 4. Strategy over hype. How the smart money approaches. Bitcoin. What's the difference between a gambler and an investor? A plan. Smart money doesn't go all in. They dollar cost average, buying small amounts consistently over time. They store their Bitcoin safely. They treat it as a long-term play, not a quick flip. Because while some are chasing meme coins and market pumps, others are quietly building wealth through discipline. So what's your plan? If you want to make Bitcoin part of your portfolio, you don't need to bet the farm. You just need to be intentional, strategic, patient. But what happens if Bitcoin doesn't just survive, but thrives? Point 5. The future of Bitcoin, a new financial frontier. Imagine this. It's 2035. You're financially free. Not because you got lucky, but because you made the right moves early. Bitcoin could become the backbone of a new financial system. It could power decentralized economies, It might even be how you buy your future home, invest in startups, or get paid for your side hustle. Sounds far-fetched? So did electric cars. So did streaming. So did working remotely. Remember when people said, Bitcoin's just a phase? Yeah. So was dial-up internet. You're not late to the game. You're right on time, if you take action wisely. But the question is, will you? The resolution. So, is Bitcoin still a good investment in 2025? Only if you treat it like one. Not as a get-rich-quick scheme, but as part of a bigger strategy. A strategy that puts you in control. Not the system, not inflation, and definitely not fear. This is your moment. Your time to build wealth not just for now, but for the future. The best time to plant a tree was 10 years ago. The second best time? Today. If you got value from this video, like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. What's your #1 financial goal this year? Let's build wealth together, one smart move at a time. Oh, and coming up next, we're breaking down exactly how to start investing in Bitcoin safely, even with just $50. You're going to want to see this.